I have the Samsung Galaxy A14 and I'll be showing you how to set an alarm on this phone. So what you need to do is find the clock app. So this is the official Samsung clock app. So tap on that clock app and then it might ask for a few permissions. Allow, and just tap on alarm at the bottom left hand side, okay? Because inside the clock we have world clock, we have a stopwatch, we have a timer. So select alarm, and then to set an alarm, just tap on the plus symbol to create a new alarm. Choose the time. Maybe you want an alarm for 6:30 a.m. okay? So slide this for the hours, and for the minutes, just make sure you select the correct minutes. So that is 6:30. And then go ahead and choose the days that you want that alarm to go off. So for instance, if you want it on Sunday, make sure Sunday is selected, every Sunday. If you want it every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, every Thursday, every Friday, for instance, okay? If you want it every day, just select everything, okay? But for me, I'm gonna select only weekdays, so I'll leave it out for Sunday and I'll leave it out for Saturday, okay? So every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, the alarm will go off at that specific time. And then of course you can go ahead and change things like the alarm sound, which sound you want that alarm to make. Do you want it to vibrate or not? You can also choose the vibration pattern, okay? You can choose the snooze intervals. So this one is set to snooze every 5 minutes, a maximum of 3 times, okay? So you can change that to maybe 10 minutes and have it snooze 5 times, or even just snooze endlessly until when you wake up, okay? Also, you can turn off snooze altogether if you want to. And then when the alarm is ready, you can give the alarm a name. I'll call mine Hustle, because at 6:30 you have to be a hustler. And when the alarm is ready, just tap on save, okay? And now you can see my alarm. You can see my alarm is there. It's called Hustle. It's set for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It's on, okay? And that's basically how to set an alarm. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and set another alarm and customize it the way you want. And you can add as many alarms as you want to the clock app. And that's basically how to create an alarm on your Samsung Galaxy A14, or how to set an alarm. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.